Hello everyone. So I just put on my full lace wig yesterday. I bleached it a little bit and I just wanted to achieve that chocolate brown color that I have, which is perfect. Matches my actual natural hair color, so that's what I was going for. Yeah. Um so now I just want you to see like the process like afterwards. So the lace is kind of ashy, okay? Like this is not HD lace. This is just your regular Swiss lace. So what you want to do is get a powder or a foundation. Preferably powder is better because it helps to hide the lace and the glue that you used a little more seamlessly. So what I'm gonna take is this full spectrum CoverGirl, like it's like a foundation powder. So it's in the color Deep Cool 4. As you can see, it's really dark. Let me open it up for you. It's really dark compared to me. So, you know, if you were using it, you might use it as a contour, like if you're doing your makeup like normally, but today, this is what I'm gonna use for my scalp because naturally your scalp is covered better, like with a darker powder or foundation. I don't know how to explain this well, but that's just what it is. You'll see in a second. Let me get my brush and I'm gonna apply some so you can see how seamlessly it hides this lace. Okay. So I have a small eyeshadow application brush. So I'm gonna take some of the powder. I'm gonna give you a view of the ashy part, okay? I'm gonna take it, dab it a little bit. Let's start from here actually. Dab, 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 dab. Do you see it? You see it disappearing a little bit? Much better, right? Also, one other thing, if you use Got To Be Glue, this clear one like I do, it may be a little shiny. You know, you put it down, it gets a little shiny so you can see the little holes a little bit more. So this kind of helps to take away from that shine, which again makes it that much more realistic. You see how that's blending in now? And if you keep going, the more you do, the better it looks. So right, you went up in there. Can you see that? Can you see the difference? All right, let's keep going. Look at that. You can already see the difference. Magic. So I'm gonna keep going because I want this to be like super duper realistic. I don't want it to look like any kind of way. What lace? No lace. Thank you. All right, so. You see that? You see how it just disappeared like that? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, and we're almost done. And I'm gonna show you the difference. Now look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Let me not be sexist. All right, look at that. Can you see it as much as you saw before? Be honest. Anyways, so now you can go straight to your styling, whatever it is you want to do. I don't know, I'm liking it straight. This is a 16-inch body weight full lace wig from my hair collection. So I straightened it today. I think I'm gonna leave it straight because I'm loving it. It looks like natural hair. It looks like my hair. Not too straight and shiny as if it's fake. So I'm cool with it. I'm gonna go out, rock it just like this. So thanks for watching, and I'll be posting more tutorials on here coming soon. Visit gloryhairsales.com, get you some hair. If you want to be an ambassador, we still have positions and we're taking it slow, so don't get me wrong, there's plenty of time for all of that. So thank you for your continued support and have a good day.